Hello, welcome to Photoshop Friday. I'm Elise from MyScheduledBiz. Thanks for joining me. Today we are talking about adding shadows to your images. So I want to show you the two different options that you've got here. There's such thing as an image that has a transparent background, and then there's an image that does not have a transparent background. So depending upon which one you're going to use is going to impact how the shadows work for your particular image. So I'm going to make the background invisible so you can see what I'm talking about. So you can see, even with the background invisible, this image has a white box behind it. So if I turn this one off, this one here is actually one image and it's got the white background with the thumbs up. Whereas this one is just the thumbs up. So these are going to cause shadows to appear differently depending upon what kind of image you're working with. This one has a transparent background and this one does not. So how do you add a shadow? Let's start with the font, the text here. I'm going to go to Styles, and I'm already on Shadows, but if you come up here, you can see there's all these different options. We want to go to Drop Shadows, and then you can simply click on these and see what they look like and decide which one is the right one for what you want. So I think I'm going to go with this one, and then I'm going to come up here and I want to go back to my layers so that I can see what I'm on. And if I select the one that has a transparent background and come back to Styles and put the same one on there, you can see that these look like they go together and that this is outlining the actual thumbs up because it's got a transparent background. Whereas if I go back to layers and I go to the other one, I'm going to hide this one. If I select this one and I go back to Styles and I click on it, you will notice it actually puts the shadow around the box. So depending upon what kind of image you're using, if it has a transparent background or if it's in a square shape that has a background as part of it, you may end up with the shadow going around the box versus around the actual image. But that is how you add the shadows. And if you do have an image like this one and you want to do the shadow, you can always use your select tool up here. And since this just has a solid background, I can select it and go up here to the correct image and hit delete, and that will make it so that it has the transparent background. So if I am on that one and go back to my styles, you will see it will do the same thing as the other one. So that is how you use the shadows. It's very simple. You just select them here, make sure you're on the right one that you want to do. Even if you have the wrong thing selected, if you go into the styles, you can also drag and drop onto the one you want. So that is how you go about using the styles to add a shadow to an image on Photoshop Elements. Thanks for joining me for Photoshop Friday. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and sign up for notifications so that you can receive more targeted teaching for your e-commerce shop in 7 minutes or less.